The government of Uganda, through the Youth Gift program, has launched the renovation at Kigezi College, Butobere, with the funding of Uganda shillings 2.5 billion. One of the Uganda's traditional institutions will be uplifted. According to Moses Ntahobari, the chairperson board of governors, the rehabilitation of Butobere is a testament for the government's commitment in supporting education.
The event marks the true revival and awakening of the giant, because this used to be the academic powerhouse in the Kigezi region and nationally. So rehabilitating or renovating the school infrastructure is what was the only remaining bottleneck for all parents to bring their children here. Now, as you have moved with us, you saw most of the structures are dilapidated. And of course, most parents may not wish to have their children in such structures. So launching the renovation project is a key driver for us to have more students, but also improve the learners' environment.
To this important function, marking a significant milestone in the history of this great school, Kigezi College, Butobere. I would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the government of the Republic of Uganda for considering this great school to be renovated. And once again, thank Kavala Municipal Council for spearheading this move, taking us to this day when the project is being launched.
Byamgesha Sintaro, the Kabale municipality mayor, asked the contractor to deliver the facility that will produce the conducive environment for the learners within the specified time.
Contractor na kasaiti kugira ngo tubase kurehabilitate ganiga shikunduza ishobero turaza gukora ahari library bakore ahari echombe ko kiri bu computer tukore ahari bigangaga bakomore bwakosa babeka he be toilet zo borembe hamwe n'ibirabyo by'abana then tukoreho kace naha kibugu kandi ndatekereza ogumurimo gutukuza ko uraza kumaraho billion 2 na billion 5 n'utundi twongera kukabitanu makumyana.
That as head of the technical team and the chief implementer of government programs in Kabale Municipal Council, I'm very much committed, and as I say in this agreement, to supervise and monitor these works, because this budget, the budget which approved this money is not my budget, it's the budget which was presented by His Worship the Mayor before Council, and the Council approved this budget as the working tool and the working document for the Mayor of Kabale Municipal Council.
Founded in January 1957 as the only boys' senior secondary school in Kigezi, Kigezi College Butobere was once an academic powerhouse. However, in the recent years, the school standard declined significantly, with the student enrollment falling to as low as 100. Today, enrollment has increased to about 300 students, signaling a steady recovery. During the 66th Senior Day celebrations in 2023, the school's alumni strongly rejected proposals to convert the institution into a mixed-gender school or affiliate it with the public university, reaffirming their commitment to restoring its former glory.
It makes